Brad here again. Today we're going to look at making a change to how the website loads, and specifically what version of the domain name, if you will. On a previous post I talked about how you can configure your domain name service so that just your domain name will load up the site, or www.domainname will load up the site, or anything you want, .domainname.com will load up the website. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of the www. You can see that right now, before we make any changes, like about the www is loading up the site here. In my opinion, it's just 4 extra characters. It's, 3 www and then the dot that needs to be typed. It's really unnecessary in today's world. So I like to disable that on all of my websites so that people can just type in the domain name and that'll load it properly. So let's switch over to the tab that has the dashboard for this website. I'm going to go down to Settings and General. I'm using the Fashionistas theme, so what you see in a couple of different places on the website here might be slightly different than what is in your own administrative interface, but this page here really should be the same. So the WordPress address and the site address. These are the 2 places that WordPress uses to control what domain name is presented when somebody goes to your website. So right now, if somebody types in that exact domain name, they're going to go to the website. So we're going to change that and remove the dot and www. So just wpblogtoday.com for both these 2 entries is going to tell WordPress that that's what we want to be the primary domain name when somebody comes to the website. I'm going to scroll down, save the changes. Okay, now notice it's making me log in again, and the reason is that it automatically redirected to a version of the website that didn't have the www at the beginning of it. So we're going to go ahead and log in, and we're back in. Now let's change the tab and go back over to the website. Refresh this, and boom, it's automatically starting to use just the domain name without the www. So let's just click on a couple of things, and you'll notice it keeps that domain name nice and short and clean. In my opinion, it's just a little bit easier to deal with and looks a little bit better. So there you go. I hope that's useful.